Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and you're probably watching this video because I've just sent you a couple of scripts to implement for QuoteWerks to automate some of your workflows within your day-to-day use of QuoteWerks. Those scripts will probably be text files. They're sent as text files just to avoid spam filters. They actually want to be VBS files, Visual Basic Scripting files. And to change that, we need to change the extension of these two files. To do that, I'm going to go to the View menu and I'm going to check this File Name Extensions option. That's now showing me that .txt extension on the file. Like I say, I want to change that to VBS, so I'm just going to highlight the file, go to the end there and change it to VBS. Do I want to change it? Yes, I do, thank you. So highlight the file and either hit F2 or right click and rename document, go to the end and .vbs. So at the moment these are sitting in my downloads folder, which is fine, but what I want to do is put these files into the QuoteWerks environment so that they're then available for all users. To find that, I'm going to go into QuoteWerks, I'm going to hit the Help and About screen. I'm going to go to the System tab, and this fourth option down, Install Path, that's telling me where all the QuoteWerks files are. If I click on that Install Path, it's going to open up the QuoteWerks folder for me. And in there I've created a folder called Applets. It's just the way that I do things. It's just typically the folder that I will put the files in. If that doesn't exist, then just create it. You can create it by going to the Home and hitting New Folder, and that's my new folder. Like I say, I've already created this. It's called Applets, and we want to take those files from my Downloads folder and drop them in there. So if I highlight in here, Control A to copy them, I can copy, or I can even cut them. They're not required there anymore. And then paste them into this QuoteWerks Applets folder. So that's the files in place. Next we need to tell QuoteWerks to run these files on the particular events that they are for. I've deliberately named these files the same as the event just for simplicity, so we know what they're for. To tell QuoteWerks that we want to run these files on the events, we need to make a few changes to the settings. To do that, I'm going to go to my Help About screen. This time I'm going to hit the Settings Manager button at the bottom there, and I want to put these tell QuoteWerks about these events by putting some settings in the scripting folder. Now, I haven't actually got a scripting folder at the moment, so what I'm going to do is hit New. I'm going to create the scripting as the section name. The key name, this is the event that we want to use. Like I said, for simplicity, I've named the files the same as the event, so I'm going to F2 here to edit it. I'm going to Control C that event name, go back to QuoteWerks, and I'm going to paste that in there. The key value is the name of the file that we want QuoteWerks to run when this event occurs. So that is the file in that Applets folder. So here I'm going to enter Applets / event name or file name .vbs. Okay, so that's system settings, scripting, before saved document, Applets / before saved document .vbs. We should now have that scripting section. We haven't got that scripting section just yet. Just reload the settings screen. Okay, there we go. We've now got this scripting section. I can filter down and see that we've got the before save event set up. So we want to do exactly the same for the before print event. So I'm going to go back to the applets folder. I'm going to F2 just to get that event name. I'm going to go new again, and it's already put the scripting section in for me. The key name is that event, and then it's applets /event.vbs. Okay, and that's it. These scripts will now become immediately live for all users, and hopefully help them with their day-to-day use of QuoteWerks. If you have any questions, if you have any problems with this, my contact numbers and email are on the screen. I hope this has been useful and look forward to working with you again soon.